I'm going to show you how you can create your own events in Metech Instrument Organizer. So the first question might be, what is an event? An event is an activity for an instrument, which for example can be a calibration, repairment, modification, or a delivery inspection. And I am going to show you now how you can create a calibration event for your specific instrument. So first, let's find the instrument. So I'm going to go into the instruments module to the instrument list. Here I'm searching for my MIO ID and I'm going to click on it. We're going to the events tab, and as you can see here, we have some previous events that has been registered for this particular multimeter. And if you click on the repo number, you will automatically download the certificate. So now I'm going to show you how you can create an event. And before that, I just want to note that if you send your instruments for calibration to one of Element laboratories, we will automatically upload the calibration event for you. But let's say that we perform this calibration ourselves internally. I will then click on the create button here. I will then decide when did we perform the calibration. So let's say that was today. We're going to choose the event, which is calibration with measurement data. And here I want to note for you that there's a lot of different types of events you can register. For example, repairment, inspections, or any type of upgrading or service for a particular measurement instrument. Then we're going to add the status as received. So let's say that we calibrated this multimeter and it did not pass the calibration. It was a fail according to the specification. Then I will add that status as received. And then we perform an adjustment of the multimeter and recalibrated the measurement instrument, and it passed for a second calibration as shipped. You can then easily upload your certificate for the event and create any type of special remark. I'm now going to click save, and then you will get the option to confirm the next calibration date, which is based on the calibration interval. I'm going to click yes here, and then you can see that this calibration event has been registered with a report attached to the instrument. So this is how you easily can create your own events for your measurement instruments in Metech Instrument Organizer.